You having fun?
Huckleberry, get over here. Dad, don't go so fast. Please use the gate down and slow down.
Alright, well, all done. Here, open the gate for him. Sorry guys, the camera might be a little shaky.
I know balls. This.
Wait, this is filming. Do you see it? No?
This is the
Hey, come here.
ball.
Oh, bow. What does that mean?
This. Now what?
Oh.
This.
Well, this is Jazzy. She's 1 month. She's 1 years old. And she's filming and talking into the camera. Huh? Oh, you gotta point at things. You pointed at Trayson up there? That's Huckleberry. Huckleberry, come here. Jazzy wants to film you. Okay, can you turn it around so the camera can see you? Here, watch this. Watch this. Oh. There you are. No. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. There you go. Shh. Don't do that. What are you talking about? Jazzy, what are you telling them about? You're going to tell them about Mommy? You're going to tell them about me? Oh, you got to point it away. You got to point it over here. Right here so they can see your face. You got to turn it around like this. There you go. Are you gonna film me? Oh, okay. You're gonna point the camera at me. Oh. You don't want it on now.
Wow.
Wow.
This.
Your sister needs scratches. Okay, can I take the camera back? You're wasting film. Come on, let me have it. Ooh. Can I get it?
No.
Why not?
Happy.
You're such a big girl. Hey, Jazzy, we're going this way.
Happy. What's this?
Daddy's home. Daddy's home. You wanna go see Daddy? Yeah? Okay. Say, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I'd love to see this video. Okay. Okay. You gotta